How to log out from Taobao app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Taobao app. To do so, first of all, open your Taobao application on your mobile device, and if you are logged into your account, you'll be able to see this interface on your screen. Now here, simply tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be taken to your profile page. Now here, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will be taken to this page. Now in this page, you will be able to locate logout button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Simply tap on this logout button and then confirm it by tapping on logout at the right side in order to confirm. And within a while, you will see you have been successfully logged out from your Taobao app. Now in the future, if you want to log in back to your account, you can simply use your phone number or the email address associated to your account in order to log in back to your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your Taobao app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.